Hey Wavers, Adam from Wave here. For this month's Wave Wisdom, I'm going to quickly show you how to auto route from your own location. So let's say I'm panning around the map. I found, some destination I want to go to. I'm going to mimic with this dropped pin. All right, let's navigate to here. I'm going to select auto route. So you see on my auto route selection here, the little arrow icon on the bottom right hand side. If you tap that, the origin is going to be set at your location. So you see that listed there, my location, and then boom, I just need to calculate. And Wave's going to work its magic and figure out a route to your destination to where I am. I'm in the office right now, so that's why my origin is on land. But that's how you do it. Just quick and easy. There's that little quick access button, so that can work for either your origin and destination, and away you go. Any questions? Reach out to our team at community@wavebony.com. Have a great day.